Yesterday was supposed to be the end of the story, but for the last 5 months, this Clio has been hanging over my head. Emails, evidence, research, complaints, court papers, everything leading towards yesterday. And going into that mediation, I genuinely believed by end of yesterday, there was a chance that everything will be behind me. Instead, 24 hours later, I'm sitting here and making this video. Unless something changes, we'll see Copart in court. It's actually crazy when I think about it. This wasn't supposed to become a series or a legal dispute. It definitely wasn't supposed to end up in court. When I bought this Renault Clio back in January, I thought it would be another straightforward car purchase. The sort of car you buy, sort out, move on from, and never think about it again. If everything had gone to plan, this car would have been long gone by now. We would have probably talked about completely different project, a completely different car, a completely different story. Instead, 5 months later, we are still talking about this Renault Clio, and somehow the next chapter appeared to be in court. One thing I realized throughout all this is that people only see 5% of what's actually happening. You see the video, you see the inspection, you see the damages, and you see the updates, but what you don't see is that everything goes behind the scene. The emails, the complaint, the responses, all the paperwork, the research and the evidence gathering, the hours spent reading documents, which is awfully painful, and hours spent trying to understand what the next step is. And honestly, there have been times where I've asked myself whether any of this is even worth it, because something like this dragging on for 5 months, it becomes exhausting. You stop thinking about the car, you stop thinking about money, and you start thinking about stress. One thing I've seen over and over again in the comment is this: it's sold as seen, it's an auction, you take risk. And honestly, I agree. If I buy a salvage vehicle with front end damage and it turns out the front end damage is worse than I expected, that's auction risk. That's part of buying salvage cars, no argument from me. But here's where I want your opinion, because I think there is an important question here. Where is the line? Let me give you an example. Imagine I put this camera up for sale. I take clear photos of it, show you the front, the back, lens, and the description says good condition, fully working, and only minor cosmetic scratches from normal use. You look at the photos, you read the description, everything seems reasonable, so you buy it. Then when it arrives, you open the box and discover the lens is smashed, completely broken, something that wasn't shown in the photos, something that wasn't mentioned in the description. Now here's my question. Would your response be, well, it's sold as seen, or would your response be, hang on a minute, that's not what I thought I was buying? Because for me, there's a difference between accepting risk and receiving something materially different from what was presented. If the photos show minor cosmetic scratches and the description says it's fully working, most people would expect exactly that, not a camera with broken lens. And maybe you disagree. Maybe you think sold as seen means absolutely anything goes. Let me know in the comment, because I would love to hear your opinion. Yesterday was a big day. After months of waiting, the mediation finally took place. Before anyone asks, I cannot discuss what was said. I cannot discuss the conversation or any of the details, because all of those process is highly confidential. What I can tell you is this: the dispute remains unresolved. Unless something changes along the way, we'll be seeing Copart in court. I've now had a day to think about it, and honestly I am extremely disappointed, because not because I wanted to fight, not because I wanted to go to court, because I genuinely hoped yesterday would bring some kind of closure to this. Unfortunately, that wasn't the case. And here is another question for you. I've had people telling me completely two different things. Some people say just move on, forget about it, it's not worth the risk, or it's not worth the stress. And some people say you've come this far, so see it through and finish what you started. And honestly, I can understand both sides, because there have been moments I've questioned everything myself. Moments where I thought, would it be easy to walk away? Would it be easier to forget about it? Would it be easier to move on? But then I think about the time, the effort, the evidence, the work that's already gone into it, and I find myself asking another question. If I stop now, will I always ask myself what would have happened if I had carried on? So let me know, not what you think I should do, what you would do. If you are in my position, would you carry on and take them to court and fight it, or would you just walk away? If you have followed this journey from the beginning, thank you so much. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you want to see how this story ends, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss any uploads. Because I have a feeling that the next chapter might be the biggest one yet. And before you go, please make sure to answer those questions I asked earlier on. What does sold as seen mean to you? And if you were in my position, would you walk away or would you carry on? I'll be reading every single comment and replying you guys. And thank you so much for watching so far, and I'll see you on the next one.